out here working on the GoPro chest mount. Alright, so like I was about to say, what I was going to say there, it's very loud right there anyway. But I think it was like a week or two ago, we had like a really bad storm, and I took my bike through the trails when it was wet, and freaking this storm destroyed the crap out of all like the trails that I ride. There's like literally nowhere to ride now except for the Powerline Trail and Sketchy Hill. That's literally like the only two trails. So I think I'm gonna show you guys some after storm stuff. I wish I could fix it, but the only thing is it's like not my property, so I'm not trying to go do someone else's work on it on the trails. But yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, well I will just go all over there. Alright, weird. What the heck was that? We're heading over to the trail. We're about right here, so I'm thinking. I came down here, like, so, okay, so, like I was saying, right there was all flooded, like, it was so flooded when I came here. Open. Let's go ahead and go down this little rock. Yep. Okay. So, doesn't look that bad right now, right? Yeah, exactly. You thought. So much. It used to be so dark in here, but then there's one tree fell. So, this tree fell. This tree fell right here. You guys can probably see this, but that thing is huge. But it kicked up all this fresh dirt. Yeah, look how fresh that dirt was. I just fell through that. Get up here. Okay. Yeah, look at the size of this thing. All this dirt down here. It's crazy. That freaking storm with all its wind took that out. Can I get down? Like metal? Oh, it's like a piece of wood. Yeah, but this dirt is so fresh. It needs to be like rained on and packed in. Okay, so it's just like one of these big trees where like the roots are. Like that. Yeah, it's pretty bad over here. You guys can probably see this. It's terrible over here. It is bad. Tree damage. That's insane. How bad it was. Freaking very close. Yeah, but you used to be able to ride up this hill. You cannot anymore. is like up to my hip right here. This one's always been here. I think when I checked up here, this place was very minimally damaged. Same thing with my woods. So, goodness. I'm not seeing too much back here. Well, everyone, I'm really thinking that is probably going to be it for today's video. I know this one was kind of short because the way I just wanted to show you all what's going on. So if we ever do another video where we go through the trails, you guys aren't like, how did that get there? You know, like that kind of stuff. But yeah, definitely gonna come back with more videos. Hope you guys enjoyed my fishing video. Thank you for 600 subscribers. That was great. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned for more videos like this. Like and subscribe. I got a whole playlist of biking. There's about 7-8 videos over there as of right now. But yeah, I really appreciate you all watching.